Jay Calcutt here at MarineMax in Fort Walton Beach, and today I'm going to be walking you around a new addition to the lot, 2023 Solstice 230. As you can see, the color combination here really does blend well. You have the two-tone gray colors there, really makes it pop with that stripe. And with every Harris, we do have a full M bracket. This makes it so your boat stays more stable in the water. You don't get a lot of this movement, and you never have to worry about really popping a weld on these. This does have is optioned out fully. This has flip up cleats, so you're not stubbing your toe, getting on and off. It's outfitted with a 300 Mercury. Right here, this telescoping ladder, stainless steel. This is a very sturdy ladder. It's not the ones that are going to go under the boat when you're trying to get up there. It's one-handed, no problem. Here, top side, the first thing you'll notice is this single lounger design. Very versatile. You can sit facing forward with the flip of this switch. You can sit facing aft. If you wanted to have a picnic on the boat, you do have a full sun pad here. Great place to get some sun while you're out on the water. You'll notice on the transom here, we do have an inset cooler, as well as stereo controls and a 12-volt hookup, so you can charge anything you need. There are some USBs there as well. It does have the option with the two captain seat. Captain, co-captain here. I really do like what they've done with these newer Solstices. The accents in there just really make it pop. Beautiful looking boat. As we look at the helm here, you do have a 9-inch Simrad multifunctional display. This does have an upgraded JL audio sound system with 8 JL audio speakers and the head unit. This is the Bose of the marine world, and it sounds excellent. You do have push button controls here, full lighting package for under the seats and all of the cup holders, and this does have digital throttle with Mercury active trim. As you'll notice, we do have an in-floor storage here to kind of stow away any skis, things like that that might get in the way, and there is storage under all of these seats. If you'd like to come by and take a look at this and take it for a spin, swing by MarineMax in Fort Walton Beach and we'll take you for a ride.